Looking to save money on top brands? Let me take you inside Hotbins, a treasure hunting discount store where you can score hot deals on everything from tech gadgets to travel gear for a fraction of the price. How does Hotbins work? Week starts on a Friday with a new inventory of goods, which is priced at only $12 each. The goal is to sell out that shipment in a week, so throughout the week the prices drop. Saturday $10, Sunday $8, Monday $6, Tuesday $4, and ends on Wednesday at just $2 per item. Stores closed on Thursdays to restock with a new shipment to start again on Friday. The earlier you shop, the more selection you get. But wait a few days and you will score items for as low as $2. If you are someone who loves to explore, find hidden gems, and save money, you will love what Hotbins has to offer. There is an unboxing station on the back where all packages can be opened to make sure that all parts are in place and everything is working properly. I was so excited to score this electric kettle because mine just broke a few days prior. I was at Hotbins on Saturday, so everything was $10 that day. I found exact same kettle on Walmart website for $47.49, so I think I did good. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more tips and tricks, travel adventures, and fun activities. Thank you for watching!